Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going through a TeamGantt tutorial for beginners, and it'll help you unlock some project management success step by step. So first let's understand the Gantt chart basics. So let's go over the timeline first. So the charts actually use a timeline to basically visualize the project duration. I'll show you a visual example later. And each task is basically represented as a bar on the chart, and they are dependencies involved. So you basically visualize the task relationships and critical paths. Okay, now let me show you an example. This is an example right here, as you can see, and we're gonna go over how to create and customize your first project. So you just open up TeamGantt and select new project. Then you start adding tasks. Okay, just fill in the task details, including the timelines, and then you can go ahead and also customize with colors and user assignments. So this is another example here. And there's also resource management, where you can assign and track resources to each task. Also real-time collaboration, helping everyone informed and be synchronized. And you can also stay on top of timelines and milestones by tracking progress. So go ahead and do that, and that will help you to go ahead with team collaboration, track your milestones, stay on top of your timeline. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.